If I call you 3 times a day, baby, to come and chase my blues away, when you come, be ready to play. When you do your duty, if you wanna have some luck, come give your baby your last buck. Don't you come quacking like a duck when you do your duty. I heard you say you didn't love me, baby. You were sweet on Mrs. Brown. I don't believe a word she says. She's the linest woman in town. When an invitation at home, I just call you on the telephone. Why don't you come yourself? Don't send your friend Jones to do your duty. If my radiator gets too hot, I'll cool it off in a lot of spots. Give me all the service you got when you do your duty. If you don't know what it's all about, don't hang around my house and pout till you catch your mama camping out to do her duty. When you've made your own bed hard, that's the way it lies. I'm plumb tired of sleeping by myself. You're too dumb to realize.